Welcome back, everyone, to another episode. Today, we're talking about something everyone faces, doctor visits. Leo, ready to dive in?
Absolutely, Sarah. Doctor visits can be stressful, especially in English, but today we'll walk through it together, step by step.
Yes, and we'll do it in a natural, comfortable conversation, like two friends preparing for a real-life situation.
Right. So let's start with the beginning. When you walk into a clinic or hospital, the first person you usually meet is the receptionist.
Exactly. So, Leo, imagine I'm the receptionist. You're the patient. Ready?
Ready. Let's begin.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10:30.
Great. What's your name?
My name is Leo Carter.
And do you have your ID or insurance card with you?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Please have a seat. The doctor will see you shortly.
Thank you so much.
Waiting rooms can feel nerve-wracking, right?
Oh, yes, especially when you're worried about your health and thinking about what the doctor might say.
Absolutely. And many people freeze when the nurse calls their name.
True. So let's show that moment.
Mr. Carter,
Yes, that's me.
please follow me. I'll check your weight and blood pressure first.
Sure, no problem.
You can step on the scale, please. And now I'm going to check your blood pressure. Please relax your arm.
Okay, I'm ready.
Great. Your blood pressure looks normal. The doctor will be with you shortly. Please wait in this room.
Thank you.
This part makes people the most nervous, right?
Yes. Sitting on that chair, hearing the paper crinkle, waiting for the doctor.
Let's begin the main doctor-patient conversation. Knocking. Good morning, Leo. I'm Dr. Smith. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, doctor. I'm feeling a bit worried, to be honest.
I understand. Tell me, what brings you in today?
I've been having pain in my chest for the past 3 days, especially when I breathe deeply.
I see. Is the pain sharp or dull?
It feels like a sharp pain, almost like something is poking from inside.
Does the pain stay in one place, or does it move to other areas, like your shoulders or back?
Mostly in one place, on the left side.
And when did you first notice it?
About 3 days ago, after I woke up in the morning.
Did you do any heavy activity or exercise before that?
Not really, it just appeared suddenly.
Okay, I understand. Do you have any trouble breathing?
A little. Deep breaths feel uncomfortable.
Do you have a cough?
Not really, maybe a light one.
Any fever?
No, I haven't had a fever.
Do you feel tired or weak?
Yes, more than usual.
Have you had this type of pain before?
No, this is the first time.
All right. Based on what you're describing, it could be muscle inflammation, but we need to examine further.
Okay, doctor, I trust your judgment.
Thank you, Leo. Let's do a physical examination. Can you take a deep breath for me?
Sure. Breathes in.
Does that hurt?
Yes, on the left side.
I see. Now, please raise your arms slowly.
Like this?
Yes. Any pain?
A little, but not too much.
Okay. I'm going to press lightly on your chest. Tell me if it hurts.
All right.
Pressing. How about here?
Yes, that hurts.
And here?
Not so much.
Good. I understand. Leo, can I ask about your daily routine?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you exercise regularly?
Not consistently, maybe once or twice a week.
Do you sit for long hours at work?
Yes, mostly at a computer, sometimes 7 to 8 hours straight.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
How is your sleep?
Not great. I've been sleeping late for the past few weeks.
Okay. That helps me understand the situation better. Leo, I want to run a few tests just to be sure.
Of course. Which tests?
A chest x-ray, a blood test, and an ECG. These will help us rule out anything serious.
All right, that sounds good.
Don't worry, it's routine, and we just want to be thorough.
Thank you, doctor. I appreciate you explaining everything clearly.
Many patients feel nervous at this stage. It's normal.
Yes, I am nervous, but talking about it helps.
Good. Communication is important during medical visits. You're doing the right thing by explaining your symptoms clearly.
Thank you. That makes me feel more relaxed.
Leo, the nurse will take you for the tests now. Please follow her.
Sure, doctor.
Don't worry, we're just being careful.
Thank you. That helps.
Hi, Leo. I'm going to guide you through the tests today.
Hi. Thank you. I appreciate it.
First, we'll do the ECG. Please lie down on this bed.
All right.
I'll place these small patches on your chest, arms, and legs. It won't hurt.
Okay, no problem.
Just stay still and breathe normally.
I'll try. I'm a little nervous.
That's completely normal. It will be over in a minute.
Okay. I'm ready.
All right, Leo, the machine is starting. Try not to move.
Sure.
How are you feeling?
A bit anxious, but okay.
You're doing great. Only a few seconds left.
Good to hear.
And done. That's it.
Oh, wow, that was quick.
Yes. Now we'll move on to the blood test. Please sit here. I'll draw a small amount of blood from your arm.
Okay. I'm not great with needles.
Don't worry. I'll be gentle. Just relax your arm and look away if it helps.
Yes, I think I'll look away.
All right. Little pinch. There we go. All done.
Really? That was fast.
Yes, it's quick. Now we just need a chest x-ray.
Okay, let's do it.
Please stand here with your chest against the plate.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now inhale, hold your breath, and exhale.
All right.
Great. That's all.
Thank you. That wasn't too bad.
You did great, Leo. You can return to the doctor's room now. Welcome back, Leo. How are the tests?
Not as scary as I expected. The nurse was very kind.
Good to hear. Your results should be ready in a few minutes.
I'm a bit nervous about the results.
That's normal. But remember, testing helps us understand the situation clearly. All right, Leo, I have your results.
Okay, I'm ready.
The ECG is normal. Your heart is working perfectly.
Thank God.
The X-ray also looks clear. No major issues with your lungs.
That's a relief.
Your blood test shows a slight vitamin D deficiency and mild inflammation in your muscles.
So the chest pain is from inflammation?
Yes. From your symptoms, it seems like costochondritis, a common inflammation of the chest wall.
That sounds serious.
It sounds scary, but it's actually common and usually not dangerous.
So what should I do now?
I'm going to prescribe an anti-inflammatory medicine. You need to take 1 tablet twice a day after meals.
Okay. How many days?
For 7 days. You should feel much better in 2 or 3 days.
Thank you, doctor.
Also, avoid heavy lifting and long hours on the computer.
I sit a lot for work. That's probably the reason.
Yes, your posture might be causing stress to your chest muscles.
Should I come back for a checkup?
Yes, after 1 week. If the pain reduces, great. If not, we'll consider another treatment.
Understood.
Also, try to sleep better. Poor sleep increases inflammation.
I will make sure to improve that.
Good. Do you have any other questions?
Just one. Should I worry about this?
Not at all. You did the right thing by coming early.
Thank you. That means a lot.
I'll send your prescription to the pharmacy. You can pick up your medicine on the way out.
Great. Thanks again, doctor.
Take care of yourself, Leo, and remember, your health comes first.
I will remember that.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi.
The doctor said my prescription would be sent here.
Sure. What's your name?
Leo. Let me check. Yes, we have it. One moment while I prepare your medication. All right, thank you.
Here you go, Leo. This medicine is for reducing inflammation and chest pain.
Okay, how should I take it?
Take 1 tablet twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening.
Before or after food?
Always after food. It can upset your stomach if you take it on an empty stomach.
Got it. After meals. Are there any side effects?
Most people don't experience serious side effects, but you might feel slight stomach discomfort, a bit of dizziness, or mild fatigue.
Oh, that sounds scary.
It's normal, don't worry. Just avoid driving if you feel dizzy. All right. Also, drink plenty of water. This medicine works better when you stay hydrated.
Okay.
I'll drink more water. And avoid alcohol while taking this.
I don't drink, so that's easy.
Good. If you notice severe pain in your stomach or difficulty breathing, stop taking it and call your doctor.
I hope that doesn't happen.
Most likely it won't. This medicine is very safe when taken as instructed.
For how many days should I take this?
7 days unless the doctor tells you otherwise.
And if the pain goes away earlier?
Continue until day 7. Stopping too early can bring the inflammation back.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. So, 2 tablets a day, after food, for 7 days. Drink water, no alcohol, be careful if dizzy.
Exactly.
Great. Thank you so much for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself and rest well.
That wasn't as confusing as I expected. But now, I need to tell my family. They worry so easily. How should I explain without scaring them?
Hello, Leo. Where are you?
Hey, I'm at the pharmacy. Just saw the doctor.
What? Are you okay? What happened?
Relax. I'm fine. I had chest pain, so I went for a checkup.
Chest pain? Leo, this is serious.
No, it's not what you think. The tests were normal. It's just muscle inflammation.
Are you sure?
Yes, the doctor checked everything. ECG, X-ray, blood test, all normal.
Oh, thank God. So, what do you have to do now?
Just take medicine for 7 days. No heavy lifting, no long hours at the computer.
That means you need rest.
Yes. And maybe better sleep, too.
We were all so worried. Why didn't you tell us earlier?
I didn't want to panic anyone until I knew the real reason.
I understand, but we care about you.
I know. And I promise I'll take care of myself.
Leo, you always work so hard, but your health is more important than anything.
You're right. I needed to hear that today.
Rest properly, okay?
I will. Thank you for being there.
Always.
Hey, Leo, how are you feeling now?
Better than earlier. The medicine is helping, but I'm still a bit tired.
That's normal. Pain exhausts the body.
Yeah, and honestly, the whole hospital trip drained me mentally too.
I get it. Doctor visits always feel heavy. So, what's your plan for tonight?
I'll take my evening tablet, eat something light, sleep early.
Good. The doctor said rest is part of the treatment.
I know, but slowing down feels strange. My brain wants to work.
Your health wants you to pause. Listen to that.
I'm trying.
Did your family calm down?
Yeah, but they still check on me every hour. It's sweet, but also funny.
That's what love looks like. Loud, dramatic, worried, but honest.
True.
Good morning. Ready for your follow-up?
Yes. I'm still a little nervous, though.
It's normal. Follow-up is just to make sure the treatment is working.
Yeah, but what if something's still wrong?
Leo, you did the tests. All results were normal. You just need reassurance now.
I guess you're right.
Hello, Leo. How are you today?
Much better, doctor.
Good. Any chest pain?
Only small discomfort when I stretch.
That's expected. Inflammation takes time to heal.
So it's normal?
Absolutely. Did you take the medicine as instructed?
Yes, morning and night after food.
Perfect. Let me check your chest. Take a deep breath. Now breathe out. Good. Any sharp pain?
No, not sharp, just a little pressure.
That's improvement. Your muscles are still recovering. I want you to continue the medicine for 2 more days.
Okay.
And avoid heavy workouts, long sitting hours, and stress.
Stress. That one is difficult.
I know, but do your best. Your body needs calmness.
I'll try.
Overall, you're healing well. No need for additional tests.
Thank you, doctor. I feel relieved.
Anytime. Take care of yourself. Hello, Leo?
Sarah, I'm done.
And?
Everything is fine. The doctor said my muscles are healing.
I told you. See? You worried for nothing.
Yeah, but it feels good to hear it from the doctor.
Of course. Reassurance is healing.
You know, Sarah, when the doctor said, "You're healing," I felt something in my heart.
What do you mean?
I realized I don't take care of myself. I push, but I never stop. I don't listen to my body.
That's what life does to us. We forget ourselves.
And yesterday, that pain scared me. It reminded me that health is not optional.
You're right. Work, dreams, responsibilities, they all matter. But they matter only if you are healthy enough to enjoy them. Leo, this episode, this whole experience, it's not just about chest pain. It's about awareness.
Yeah.
People think doctor visits are only for emergencies, but sometimes they are reminders, wake-up calls, moments that say, hey, slow down. You're human.
That's exactly how I feel. You know, when I was lying on that hospital bed waiting for the results, I kept thinking, what if something happens to me?
And?
I realized I want to live. I want to be healthy. I want to love my life, not rush through it.
Leo, that's a powerful realization. So, what's your next step?
I'll rest. I'll heal. And I'll create a healthier schedule.
Good, because your life is bigger than your deadlines.
And I'll listen to my body before it has to shout again.
That's growth, Leo. Proud of you.
Sarah, thank you for staying with me through this whole journey.
Always. That's what partners do in podcasts and in life.
Yeah. And I hope our listeners learn something from this too.
They will, because everyone, somewhere, is ignoring their health right now.
True.
So, this episode is not just a doctor visit. It's a reminder. Your body whispers before it screams. Listen early.
Well said. Let's continue this journey with more care, more awareness, and more life.